everybody. Haven't done anything with this channel in a while, so nice seeing you again. So let's start doing some stuff, showing you what I've been up to since the pandemic. Let's start with a little walk around on my little Evo. It's time attack build, at least for me. It used to be an ST2 car that was built in California. Some shops in Arizona came to AMS to get a crate motor installed, but it was an ST2 car, not a time attack car. If you know me, I don't usually buy cars that have been built by someone else. I never thought I would like a car that was built by someone else this much, but I really love this car. So let's take a look at it. So this is a 2013 Evo 10. It had one owner before me. The original owner was the one who got this car built. They did a really good job. The car is full of very, very good parts, including, like I said, a crate motor from AMS Stage 2, $18,000 engine. I can't really see, but all-in suspension, two-piece rotors. Car is fully gutted. Really nice cage, almost an overkill cage, but the safer the better. And like I said, it was built for ST2, so my idea is to get it more suited for time attack. So has some weight that can be eliminated. For instance, this fuel cell, it's a 15-gallon giant fuel cell. It's way too far back, way too heavy. I don't like weight outside the load triangle. So if you're not familiar with this term, is between the wheels, top of the roof, that makes a triangle. The more weight you have in there, close to the center and lower of the triangle, the better. So I'm going to eliminate that fuel cell. I'm going to remove the passenger seat. Fuel cell is going to be mounted here, and of course completely encased. Probably aluminum sheet metal. We'll see. But pretty nice car. Have a list of little things that I want to do with it. But overall, very nice. Carbon fiber, true carbon fiber splitter. I added some stuff like the password JDM intake, canards, has APR mirrors, APR wing. But yeah, I love this thing. So far I took it to all tracks once. Gingerman once. Broke into the 30s there on my first time driving this car. Took it to Road America. Did a 31 flat lap there on, this is on 265 tires. Did Mid-Ohio once. What else? And Black Hawk Farms. And just recently I did a hill climb at Empire, and it was my first time competing, and I got third place overall, only 0.02 of a second from second place, so I'm pretty stoked with that. I don't think I'm going to be doing a whole lot of hill climbing, but more of a circuit guy. But that was sweet. So since the pandemic, a lot has happened. I built like a turbo kit for my AE86. That's in the other videos there, you guys can see. I love that car, but I don't know. I needed something different. I built this crazy Camaro, 600 horsepower, super clean, 60,000 mile Georgia car, so no rust whatsoever. Camaro was awesome, but I'm a Japanese car kind of guy. It just never felt right. I just like Japanese cars. So since then, I built this new garage, which I'm super stoked about it. My garage was super tiny. Its driveway is full of junk here. But now I'm gonna have more space and more time, hopefully, to get, you know, some more videos done, some how-tos or something like that. I don't know what you guys would like to see, so please leave a comment there and let me know. But there's a lot going on. It's like I can never stop. It's kind of like a disease. So I just bought this big international truck here. It used to be an ambulance. I took the body out already, and I'm gonna build a ramp truck. So gonna get rid of my enclosed trailer, which is really sweet. So if anyone wants to buy one, it's a ATC, barely used, pretty sweet. Hit me up. And so I'm gonna have a ramp truck to haul my cars and tow a little camper behind, so we can be comfortable at the track with the, you know, the family and all that. So yeah, and I'm just terrible with YouTube, and I never find the time to record anything because otherwise I don't get anything done. Another thing that I've been doing is this little Corolla. I'm super excited about it. I have wanted one forever, and I found this one. Was sitting on a barn for 20 years, bone stock SR5, and I'm almost at the end of the build. Some people say, you should have videotape there, but I'm just terrible at that. It's a pretty sweet little car. It was completely original when I got it. So I've been collecting parts, and I got it completely painted, even though it didn't need it, but I got a really top-notch paint job on it because I wanted it perfect. Interior was completely immaculate on this car. I had some brand new Hitmaker trash racing seats, so I decided to put them in. Like not a crack in the dash. Got a Cusco roll cage because I always wanted one, so ordered that from Japan. Ordered brand new work equipped wheels for it. Carbon fiber hood, Sabon. And I did a 20 valve swap on it. It has a built GTS rear end, whole catalog of T3 suspension parts. This is gonna be a pretty sweet little car. So let me know if you wanna see some more of that. That's it, guys. Let me know what you wanna see. Like I said, kind of lost in what direction to go here. I will definitely be posting some stuff about the Corolla because I think everybody likes AE86s. Not very much left to finish this build. And this summer, I will do a lot of work on that ramp truck. It will be my largest project yet, literally. And I don't know if anybody wants to see that. So, till next time.